During the nights leading up to Christmas, Izmir reveals a different side of itself. A city by the sea, calm, yet full of life. The lights feel softer, the rhythm slows down, and the nights become more inviting. In the heart of Karşıyaka, one place captures this feeling beautifully: Hilltown. Izmir is more than a city. It's a way of life. A place where calmness and energy exist together. Karşıyaka is one of the city's most vibrant districts. And Hilltown is part of this everyday rhythm. A place to walk, to meet, and to experience the nights of Izmir. As Christmas approaches, Izmir doesn't just become brighter, it becomes warmer. Colourful lights, simple yet joyful decorations, and smiles shared in the air. During these nights, Hilltown feels festive, not loud, but alive, welcoming, and full of warmth. Shopping in Izmir is never just a routine. It's part of the city's lifestyle. At Hilltown, modern design, a wide variety of stores, and Christmas-themed displays create a relaxed and enjoyable experience, especially on nights when the city stays awake. Cool winter nights in Izmir feel different with a warm cup of coffee. Time slows down here. Conversations last a little longer. Moments feel more meaningful. Hilltown is a place to pause, right in the middle of the city. Izmir is shaped by its people. Calm, friendly, and full of energy. Families, young people, and travelers discovering the city. Hilltown reflects this spirit. Simple, yet alive. When night falls, the modern architecture and lighting of Hilltown create a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. A place where walking itself becomes an experience. Nights in Izmir feel special here. For visitors, Izmir is a city that feels safe, welcoming, and full of life. And Hilltown Karşıyaka is one of the best places to experience that feeling: modern, family-friendly, and perfectly in tune with the city. Izmir, a city where nights tell stories, and Hilltown Karşıyaka, where Christmas nights move in rhythm with urban life.